Welcome to one of India's largest pioneering centers.
ये हमारा सौभाग्य है। परम श्रद्धेय स्वामी श्री गोविंद देव गिरी जी महाराज, परम श्रद्धेय स्वामी श्री चिदानंद जी महाराज के कर कमलों द्वारा सेवा मंदिर का उद्घाटन होने जा रहा है। Mahavir Seva Sadan was established in the year 1985. It was a godown about 200 square feet. The sole object was to restore smile and dignity in the life of the differently abled persons as well as in their family. It was resolved that all the services and facilities will be absolutely free of any cost or consideration.
Mahavir Seva Sadan. Aashaएं, dare to dream.